Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kria here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can put your custom-made FiveM chains into a test server so you can test out your chains in game. Let's get right into it. All right, quick disclaimer: I do want to say in this video, I am not teaching you how to create a test server. I am solely teaching you how to import these custom chains that you made into your already made test server. I just wanted to point that out there. So if you clicked on this video thinking I was going to show you how to make a custom test server, this is not the video. There's multiple videos out on YouTube that show you how to make a custom FiveM test server. So just search it up on YouTube. There's a lot of good videos out there. And let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing is you're going to get your YTD and your YDD. As you can see, I got mine right here. Then you're gonna want to go to the folder inside of your test server that you're going to want to put in the game. So for me, it's in stream. I like to keep it organized. So I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna name it test_chains. All right. All right. So after you're done creating the folder where you're gonna put your chains in, go inside, create a new folder, and name it stream. Then you're going to make a new text document and name it fxmanifest.lua. Or if you don't want to do all of that, you can join my free assets Discord and this file will be already ready in there to go. So once you do that, go inside stream and you're going to want to import your FiveM ready chains. So for me, it's going to be mp_m_free_mode_01. This thief_004. So it's gonna be in the number 4 slot. So once you got that, everything should be good to go. Let me start up the test server and show you guys. All right, now once you're in game, now you're gonna want to test it. So let me give myself a skip menu. Then I'm gonna go to accessories and put on the chain. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You can now test your chain in game. And that's exactly how you do it step by step. So if I did help you guys and you guys did enjoy the video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next tutorial. Peace.